Problem set 11. First question is what? 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एडिशन में भी बताया था कि आपको प्रॉपर जो है वो प्लेस पे उसके नंबर्स डालना है. सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू इन सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो. You have to write in proper place. See, 3 minus 6. So we will borrow from here. Then it will cut what? It will be 0. And here is what? 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 0 minus 5. We can't do. That means we have to borrow it from here. And it will be 4 and it will be 10. So 10 minus 5, what? 5. Now 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 8. So we have to take it from here. Then it will be 15. Mostly students क्या करते हैं, जब ऊपर का नंबर छोटा होता है तो 8 minus 5 करने जाते हैं. So please students remember it. If the upper number is smaller than this number, so you have to borrow it from the previous this number. Okay, now 15 minus 8, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. I think you all can understand very well. Now see the second one. 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. Write it in proper way. Now 9 minus 3. See, 9 is bigger than 3. That means easily जो है minus हो जाएगा. So 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 2. So we will borrow from here. It will be 4 and it will be 11. So 11 minus 2, 9. Here 4 minus 4, 0. 4 में से 4 गया तो दी 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 0. What you will do? 1. 1 is bigger than 0. And 1 minus 0. That means 1 में से कुछ भी नहीं गया. So we will write 1 as it is. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Clear? Now see the sixth one. Third, fourth, fifth is your homework. See the sixth one. 38 lakh 1,213 minus 37 lakh 54,648. So, see 3 minus 8. So we will borrow from here. So it is also smaller. First we will take it from here. Now it will be what? 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 0 minus 4, 0 is smaller than 4. So we have to borrow from here. It will be 1 and it will be 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 6. So we will take it from here. Then here is what? 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Now 0 minus 4. So here is also smaller number. अब 0 में हमको जो है वो 4 नहीं जाएगा तो हम लोग बाजू में से ले रहे. बाजू में जो है वो छोटा ही नंबर है. So we will take it from here. So it will be 7. And ये एक नंबर इधर आ जाएगा. ये हो जाएगा 10. फिर हमको इधर पे नंबर चाहिए. फिर again we will cut. Then it will be 9 and it will be 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So I have done this one. Remaining questions is your homework part. Now let's move on to the problem set 12, which is the word problem of subtraction. It is also very easy. See, Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? प्रथमेश को जो है वो लैपटॉप बाय करना है जो कि कितने रुपीस का है? 27,450 का है. बट ही हैज उसके पास कितने रुपए हैं? 22,975. सो उसको और कितने अमाउंट चाहिए उस लैपटॉप को बाय करने के लिए, खरीदने के लिए? सो क्या करोगे आप? माइनस करोगे. दैट मीन्स you have to subtract the smaller number from a bigger number. This is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. So first you have to write the bigger number, 27,450 minus 22,975. This is the cost of laptop and this is the number which he has. Now 0 minus 5. So we will borrow. Then it will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7, it will not cut. So we will take it from here and it will be 7. 3 minus 9. Now 13 minus 9, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So at the end you have to write, therefore Prathamesh still needs how much rupees? Still needs 4,475. 4,475 rupees to be able to buy the laptop. You have to write this line. This is very very important. Which अगर आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में ये लाइन पूछता है तो आपको वही लाइन को आंसर बना के लिखना है. द प्रथमेश still needs 4,475 rupees to be able to buy the laptop. Second one, a company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? यानी कंपनी ने जो है वो इतना जो है वो एक कुछ ईयर में जो है वो इतने प्रोड्यूस किए थे और नेक्स्ट ईयर में इतने. तो उस प्रीवियस ईयर में उसने कितने ज्यादा स्कूटर्स जो है वो प्रोड्यूस किए. सो जस्ट नाउ आई सेड यू हैव टू राइट द बिगर नंबर, देन सेकेंड यू हैव टू राइट द स्मॉलर नंबर. नाउ माइनस 0 minus 0, 0. Borrow it because 3 is smaller than 5. Here is 6, here is 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. And 4 minus 4, 0. That means a company produced 1,580 more scooters in the previous year. Third one. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women in 16,52,978. By how many does the numbers of women exceeded the number of men? See, एक सिटी में जो है वो इतने मेन है और इतने विमेन है, तो वो पूछ रहा है कि कितने वुमेन ज्यादा है मेन से. So first see which is the bigger number. See, here is what? 16,37,856 and here is 16,52,978. That means which is the bigger number? This one. So first we have to write this number. Okay. See, 16,52,978. This is what? Women. And this is men. So you will not get confused. So 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is what? 8 is bigger than 6. That means we can subtract 2. 8 minus 6 is what? 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 7, 2 is smaller than 7. That means we have to borrow from here. Then it will be 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. That means we have to, what we have to write? By 15,122, the number of women exceed the number of men. Fourth and fifth one is your homework. You have to complete it in your notebook. Okay, students? I think you all have understood very well. Now, let's move on to the last practice set, problem set 13, which is remaining in this lesson. It is also very easy. See, the forest department planted 23,078 trees of kher, 19,476 of bihara sites, besides trees of several other kinds. If the department planted 50,000 trees altogether, how many trees were neither of kher nor of bihara? फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने जो है इतने खैर के ट्रीज जो है वो लगाए और इतने बिहारा के. इसके अलावा पूरे मिला के डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो पूरे मिला के कितने ट्रीज लगाए? 50,000. एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर? वी हैव टू फाइंड कितने नहीं लगाए खैर और बिहारा के. यहाँ पर लगाए हैं वो तो दिखा दिया और टोटल कितने ट्रीज लगाए वो भी बता दिया. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड दी व्हाट? neither of khair nor of bihara. So this type of questions, what you have to do, first you have to add the numbers, then whatever you will get the answer, you have to subtract the number from the next number, given number, third number. Okay, see, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है कि जो दो नंबर दिए हुए हैं हम उसको प्लस करेंगे, फिर जो भी आंसर मिलेगा दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू subtract from this number, then we will get the answer. So here I have written 23,078 what number of khair, which is given in the question, and 19,476, this is also given in question, what number of bihara trees. First we will add, understood? First we will add. So 8 plus 6 14, 4 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8 and 7 15, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 9 12, 1 carry, 2 here and 1 is carry, 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. This is what? Total number of khair and bihara. Khair and bihara. See, total number of यानी पूरे खैर और बिहारा के ट्रीज. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दी कौन से नहीं है. सो वी विल सबट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम दिस नंबर. 50,000 इज गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन. नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज विच डिपार्टमेंट हैज प्लांटेड. नाउ वी विल सबट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर. सो राइट इट. यूनिट प्लेस के नीचे यूनिट प्लेस, टेंस के नीचे टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 42,554. Number of khair and bihara trees neither. Okay, neither. Here is the what? Number of khair and bihara. See, 0 minus 4. 0 में से -4 होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. और यहाँ पे भी 0, यहाँ पे भी 0, यहाँ पे भी 0. तो हम लोग यहाँ से जो है वो क्या करते आएंगे? बोरो करते आएंगे. So we will borrow from here. It will be 4 and we will add one what here? It will be 10. Then again we will borrow it from here. Then it will be 9. Then here is what? 10. Again we will borrow. Then 9. It will be 10. Then 9. It will be 10. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. So, 7,446 trees, neither of khair nor of bihara. At the end, you have to write it this one. Have you understood? At the end, you have to write this line. 7,446 trees, neither of khair nor of bihara. Second one. A city has a population of 37,04,926. एक सिटी का जो है वो पॉपुलेशन इतना है. इफ दिस इंक्लूड्स 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? सिटी का पॉपुलेशन इतना दिया हुआ है जिसमें मैन, विमेन, चिल्ड्रन सब हो गए. अब उसमें क्या बोल रहा है कि उसमें इंक्लूड है कौन कौन से. अगर इसमें इतने मैन है और इतने विमेन है, 11,24,069 मैन है एंड 10,96,478 विमेन है, तो नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन कितने हो गए उस सिटी में. तो क्या करोगे आप यहाँ पे, फर्स्ट वी विल एड दिस नंबर मैन एंड वुमेन, देन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द पॉपुलेशन, सो वी विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. हम लोग पहले इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे, मैन एंड विमेन को. जो आंसर आएगा उसको टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन से माइनस करेंगे तो हमको नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन पता चल जाएगा. सी हियर आई हैव रिटन 11,24,069 is what men and 10,96,478 women. Now add this number. 9 plus 8 17, 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7, 7 and 7 14, 4 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10 and 2 12, 2 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2. So this is what total number of men and women. What? 22,20,547. This is the total number of men and women. Now we will subtract from the total population. Total population is what? 37,04,926 minus what? 22,20,547. See, here I have written like in this form. Why? Because here is 37 lakh and here is 22 lakh. Both the digits are same. That's why I am writing like this. So now subtract. 6 minus 7. It will not subtract. So we will borrow it from here and it will be 16. 16 minus 7, 9. Then 1 minus 4. It will not subtract. So we will borrow from 9 and it will be 11 and it will be 8. 11 minus 4, 7. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. Then 0 minus 2, it will not subtract. So here is 6 and here is 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. So this is what? This is the total number of children in the city. So at the end you have to write the number of children in the city are what? 14,84,379. Have you understood? Then third and fourth is your homework. You have to complete it in your notebook. Students, please complete it now. I think you all have understood very well. We have completed your lesson also. Lesson 3 and all problems set in this lesson. Thank you so much, students.